Welcome to day 2 of our intermediate breathing series. Today, we will practice Kapalbhati Pranayama, also known as skull shining breath, a dynamic, energizing technique. This practice activates Vishuddhi Chakra, our throat energy center, and clears physical and energetic blockages. Begin by sitting comfortably in Sukhasana or Padmasana or on a chair with your spine straight. Place your hands on your knees in Gyan Mudra or Chin Mudra. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Prepare yourself. We will warm up with simple diaphragmatic breathing to activate the abdominal muscles and prepare for Kapalbhati. Place your hands on your belly. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your abdomen expand. Exhale completely, allowing abdomen to contract. Let's repeat for 5 smooth breaths. Inhale deeply, abdomen expands. Exhale completely, abdomen contract. Inhale deeply, abdomen expands. Exhale completely, abdomen contract. Feel the rhythm, expansion and contraction of your belly as you breathe. Now, we will begin Kapalbhati. This practice involves forceful exhalation and passive inhalation. Focus on pumping your abdominal muscles to expel air actively. We will do first round of 20 pumping, second round of 30 pumping, third round of 40 pumpings, with retention at the end of the pumping. Let's start with first round. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale fully completely and begin. Exhale, inhale and exhale. Now inhale 80% of your lung capacity and hold the breath. Retain. That's good. Exhale, release and relax, and prepare your mind for second round. We will now move to the second round. This time we will do 30 strokes. Remember to focus on exhalation. Let's begin. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Now inhale fully completely and begin. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now inhale deeply and retain the breath for 5 seconds. That's good. Release. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Sit quietly and prepare for third round. Our final round, 40 pumpings. Let's begin. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale fully completely and begin. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Now inhale deeply and retain the breath for 10 seconds. That's good. Release and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Release and relax. Sit quietly for a while. Feel the energy building in your body and the lightness in your mind. To close our practice, we will cool down with balancing breath, Chandra Bhedna or Chandra Nadi breathing. Close your right nostril. Inhale deeply through your left nostril. Close your left nostril and exhale through the right nostril. And close your right nostril. Inhale deeply through your left nostril. Close the left nostril and exhale through your right nostril. Close your right nostril. Inhale through your left nostril. Close your left nostril and exhale through your right nostril. We are repeating 5 times. Close your right nostril. Inhale through your left nostril. Close your left nostril and exhale through your right nostril. Close your right nostril. Inhale through your left nostril. Close your left nostril and exhale through your right nostril. Now, gently release and rest your hands on your knees. Take a moment to observe your breath. Feel the energy flow through your throat center, clearing and revitalizing it. Finally, take a deep breath in to chant Om. Feel the vibration resonating in your throat and body. Let's repeat 2 more times. Thank you for joining me today. Tomorrow, we will explore Bhastrika Pranayama. Namaskar.